Time for a look at your West Tennessee forecast with meteorologist Brian Davis.
And good evening, everyone. Well, we had some storms move through. A couple of them did get strong with up to 50-mile-per-hour winds. Those have since settled down, and we still got some lingering showers moving through the area right now. Let's go ahead and take a look at our current conditions here in Memphis, where we had some rain earlier tonight. That has since moved out, and we're at 73 degrees. Those winds are still up there a little bit there at 14 miles per hour from the south. Kenton coming in at 7 miles an hour with a 70-degree temperature right now, and Paris coming in at 75 with 10-mile-per-hour winds. We've got 68 degrees in Dresden and Paris, 70 in Dyersburg, 75 in Alamo, 75 in Lexington, 75 in Somerville, and we've got 73 in Selmer. The winds are out of the south, southwest, as high as about 28 miles per hour, but certainly a little lower than today, where we were seeing up to 40-mile-per-hour winds and that wind advisory over our western counties. Well, we've got one front moving through that brought us a few showers and thunderstorms, and it's going to bring us hardly any difference in temperature. Our next front, which will come through on Saturday, that's going to bring a sharp drop in temperature, and it's also going to have some storms with it, and looks like between an inch to an inch and a half of rain possible with the big rain coming up Saturday afternoon and Saturday evening. Here's a severe weather threat for the rest of tonight. You can see it has been completely moved out of West Tennessee. So good news there. That marginal risk that was over parts of Northwest Tennessee now in St. Louis. And as this energy goes further to the north and away from us tonight. Tomorrow, we'll see another round of severe to strong storms out to the west of us, but that also will be moving up to the northeast. And unlike today, it's far enough away, it should stay off to the west. However, we will have some pop-up thunderstorms overhead, just some convective storms, and a couple of those could have some heavy downpours, certainly, and some cloud-to-ground lightning. Now, on Saturday, when the big rain comes through, we will be under a 1 out of 5 risk for our southern counties through parts of Mississippi and North Alabama. But again, that's a very low risk. We'll be watching that as the rain comes through, but most of any energy for severe storms will be off to the south of us on Saturday. The good news, those storms coming through earlier, that's going to get them out of here in time for Easter. And so we're going to start off really cold on Easter morning, but the rain should be gone by then. Well, the temperatures are still quite warm out there in the 70s, but you can see some of that colder air coming in across the northern portion of the country along that next frontal boundary. Here's a look at our live radar showing what's left of the rain that's coming through, but slowly starting to die down out there across the area. We're subject to have a scattered shower or storm anytime overnight. Most of us will stay rain-free throughout the rest of tonight. But again, you might want to take a rain jacket just in case to the bus stop in the morning or an umbrella, as there will be the possibility of a lingering shower. Now, we'll start off about 67 in the morning, and we'll top out in the low to mid 80s, about 84 by the time school gets out. And there will be that 30% chance of a scattered storm during the afternoon tomorrow. Highs will top out about 85. We'll drop to 66 for tomorrow night, to about 78 for the high on Saturday. Near 100% chance of rain. Comes in anytime from late morning through the early evening. Then it rolls out of here. We begin to dry out for Easter morning. Heading off to the sunrise service, you might want a jacket or a good coat there. It'll be about 45 degrees, winds out of the northwest, and highs only going up to 64 during the afternoon under partly cloudy skies. 40 to start off Monday, 67 for the high Monday, 43 for Tuesday morning, high of 64, and how about 39 cold degrees to start off Wednesday morning, but then we'll warm up to a pleasant 72 degrees. Have a great rest of your night, everyone. Take care and be safe.
We are West Tennessee Weather Channel.